Embody Better. Dimensional breathing. Start by lying on the floor or sitting on a chair and soften your gaze or close your eyes. Focus your breath in the vertical dimension, up and down. Think of your spine lengthening and shortening as you breathe. Imagine filling up and emptying out the cushion-like discs between each of your spinal vertebrae, from your head to your tail. Now focus your breath in the horizontal dimension, side to side. Think of widening and narrowing your body. Think not only of your ribs, but also your pelvis, collarbone, neck, and jaw, also widening like a big smile and narrowing back into your midline. Use this time to focus on not letting your ribs flare forwards and out to find their horizontal space and movement. Now focus your breath in the sagittal dimension, front and back. Think of the front and back of your rib cage bulging and hollowing as you breathe. When you exhale, feel your sternum soften and sink down to the floor or the back of your chair. Feel aware of the back of your body too, and expand the back of your ribs into the floor underneath or chair behind. You can focus your breath on any body part while doing this exercise. Of course, we always breathe in all three dimensions. Our body grows and shrinks in all directions. However, dimensional breathing is useful to expand our breathing capacity by concentrating on separate elements individually. Finally, bring your awareness to all three dimensions to inhale and grow and exhale and shrink. To finish, allow your focus to come back into the room, gently moving your fingers and toes, and open your eyes.